Hey guys, so today I'm doing my updated room tour. So let's just get into it. Let's see all the changes in the past year of my room. So since it's Christmas time right now, this is my Christmas wreath. But yeah, I already have a Christmas decoration tour, so go check that out if you haven't already for this year. But yeah, this is just my room, which I've seen a part of in like so many videos, but this is just like the overview of everything. Okay, so let's just start with this. First of all, that's me. So, hi. Hi, guys. What's up? This is my outfit of the day. I know, right? So comfy, cozy, whatever. But I'm gonna start doing outfit of the days again, like next year. Well, obviously next year, and then next January, I'm gonna start doing outfit of the days again because I miss doing outfit of the days. So yeah, posing like Vogue status. Okay, so this mirror hasn't changed. You know me, I'm vain, so I need a mirror everywhere. What else? Okay, so remember I had this like little poster thing here? Well, I removed that, but I don't know what to put here, so I think I'm just gonna put like, you know, Dollar Tree, they have those like seasonal signs. Like every season I'll put like a cute little sign here or something. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not hanging out the hook there, but so it's bare for now, but there'll be like, you know, whatever. You know the deal. There'll be like different like signs there throughout the season. Ooh, it's going in and out of blurriness. Okay. Anyway, it's getting blurry, so let's move on. This is the table. It's from Target. You know the deal. I've said it in every room tour for the last, what, 6 years. But yeah, let's see. Any changes here? I'm just gonna focus on the changes. Everything that's been before, I'll breeze through it. Table lamps are from Target as well. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, of course, Bath and Body Works stuff. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this is the sleep lavender. You guys, I don't know, I haven't been using this as much as I kind of was, because I've been sleeping really well. But this is the sleep lavender cedarwood pillow mist. And I'll just spray this on my bed like this here. Let's do a little demonstration. I'll just like spray it on my sheets and my bed before I go to bed, and it'll just like make the room smell like lavender. It smells really good. But you push it to sleep. And this is the lotion. I mean, lavender is just really soothing. And this is the body cream. So keep it by the bed. It's just really cute. So, and I always keep myself hydrated by drinking water, tons of water every day. Okay, and of course the famous Marilyn Monroe picture. As you guys know, I dyed my hair platinum to match hers. So I just love blondes, and I love Marilyn Monroe, because I mean every gay guy loves Marilyn Monroe, right? Like it's Marilyn, right? She's fabulous. So and yeah, so I got this at people always ask me where I got these posters. I got these at Michael's like so many years ago, maybe like 6 years ago. I got this poster at Michael's, and I got this one at Michael's, the Aubrey Hepburn. Audrey or Aubrey? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Audrey Hepburn. Oh my god, don't crucify me in the comments. I love you guys. Aubrey. Wait. Audrey Hepburn. Oh my god. I'm going to hell for that. Okay. Ignore what I just said. Audrey Hepburn. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I love you guys. I'm really blonde and dumb, so just excuse that. Okay. Next poster thing I got from Walmart. And yes, it has rhinestones. Let's see if I can zoom in. Should I zoom in on this? Or no, I think you guys get the point. Yeah, we're good. So it has rhinestones because I'm extra AF. Okay, so this zebra pillow I love. The rainbow zebra pillow I got from Walmart as well. And it's just really comfy, and it just makes a cute little head pillow. So yeah. And then I've had this bear since like childhood, and this bear was a gift from my mom, so yeah, I keep those. Actually, remember I used to have, oh, I guess it's the update, quote unquote, like room changes. So I had a big bear here before. I got rid of the bear, I gave it to charity, and then I also had another, oh, and the unicorn I get rid of the unicorn, so I just got over it. And a few, oh, the other pillows I had, yeah, so I simplified it to just those two bears, and that's it. And in the winter I have like a lot of blankets because I get really, really cold. So there's like the sheet, there's like two, like let's say there's two blankets here. Yeah, so 1, 2, and then there's this warm blanket on top. So I have at least 3 blankets, and sometimes I put like a 4th blanket on top, like, or whatever. So I have to always keep warm and snuggly. Over here is, of course, more Bath and Body Works stuff. I have a whole Bath and Body Works collection that I in detail talk about everything. So if you haven't seen my $16,000 Bath and Body Works collection, which is probably $70,000 by now, because I've done a few hauls since then, go check that out. But this is the overview really quickly. But yeah, I just keep lotions and soaps up there, and there's like tons of stuff here. But yeah, I overviewed that in my collection video, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. Yeah, so anyway, but yeah, I have the shelf of that. And then I have these baskets here. There are 3 baskets. So far I just have soaps here. I'm probably going to fill this up with soaps. And then the other 2 baskets I'm going to fill up with more Bath and Body Works. And then, but I promise myself as soon as like these 3 baskets are filled, I am done. I'm for real. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna do that 50% no buy starting next week. You know, for SAS. And then after that, you guys, if I have no more room, like in these baskets, these 3 baskets, then I guess it'll have to be a 100% no buy. So we'll see. So I'm gonna keep shopping there until these baskets are full. That's my last, yeah. Yeah, because I have this, the rest of this basket, and then I have 2 more here from Dollar Tree. These are just $1 each, and some Dollar Tree as well. And these are full of just like summer, spring, summer pocket bags, and so I'll just put the rest of the spring, summer pocket bags that I get next year in there, and so on and so on. And these are all Bath and Body Works things as well, and yeah. Anyway, I guess I'll do the closet too, since I haven't in the closet in a while. Or should I say the closet for another video? I don't know. Oh, I guess I do the closet too, huh? Okay, I guess I can do an updated closet tour. So we'll say that because I did another video anyway for Vlogmas. So, okay, I'll say the closet. I'll do the closet separately. Actually, I'll film that tonight. And I'll put that up, like, I don't know. I'll film it. It'll be part of Vlogmas. So we'll do closet as a separate video. I'll put a closet. But I have our Bath and Body Works in there as well. But I'm filming a shoe collection tonight as well. That'll be up in a few days. Okay, anyway, so that's that. Oh, and this is actually a present from me to my dad. He loves the L'Occitane soaps. So I got him a L'Occitane soap. It was like really bougie. It's like $14 bar soap, but it's French and it's so good. He's his favorite soap. So yeah, and you guys know I got my mom the Becoming audiobook from Michelle Obama. And of course, other gifts too, but these are just some of them. So give my parents the best gifts because they're so worth it. They're amazing. Okay, I have more clothes in there, and these are from Walmart, I believe. Yeah, these roll-on dressers. And Bath and Body Works, Bath and Body Works. I know. And then under the bed, well, you've seen my collection, but yeah. It's just Bath and Body Works everywhere. I know, obsessed. And this is the air cleaner. It's off right now because of this noise. You see, like, you see how noisy it is? Okay, okay, this is why I have it off during my videos if I'm in this room. Yeah, it gets kind of loud. Which is actually really soothing to sleep in. I like to sleep to. But not when you're doing a video. So it's off when I'm filming in this room. But that's the air cleaner. I've had that for so long. I don't know where I got the air cleaner from, but whatever. Anyway, I don't know where I got this from. I had this for years too, but okay, I think that's about it for that. Oh, and of course I have some decor here, obviously, but some tinsel from Dollar Tree, silver, and I got a gold one. I didn't do too many decorations for Christmas in my room this year. I wanted to keep it more chill, quote unquote, so yeah. Anyway, this is the Vanity. As you guys know, Michaela's still on vacation, so I still have all her makeup in here. Yeah, ooh, Gucci sunglasses. Yeah, these will be my favorites coming up next week, so my December favorites. And these are just like from, I think these are from, I don't know where I got these from, maybe the thrift store, I don't know, years ago. Okay, and then I have all my colognes here, actually from the cologne collection. That's going to be coming up, actually we've already seen that, that's already going to be uploaded before this video, so hopefully you enjoy my cologne and perfume collection. And it's like thousands of dollars worth. Like this plus all the perfumes and body sprays. Yeah, it's a mess. But it's a lot. But it's amazing. More pocket bags from Bath and Body Works and whatever. Beauty blenders, brushes, and there's a whole lot of stuff here. I love these. My parents gave me these. I think we got this from Michael's. Focus on the good. Always a good message to live by. And oh, if it doesn't fall. This was a gift. Oh. Be happy, be kind, be brave, be you. Great message. Keeps me going every day. More brushes, and this is full of coins, like coin purse, pouch, whatever. Random sweater. This is my everyday bag right now, which is a Coach bag. You would have seen these in my purse collection. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. 100 grand worth of purses. Go check out that video. That was posted, I think, I don't know, last week or something. But these are just some of my makeup. I've done already a makeup collection. I really haven't gotten any more makeup, so I'm not going to do any more makeup collections until I get more makeup, which won't be for a long time because I don't buy makeup anymore. But yeah, it's just sitting here, you guys. I mean, yeah. And no, I'm not going to give it away before anyone asks or sell it. Every time I do collection videos, I get all these messages from people saying like, oh my god, can I like have your makeup? Can you like sell it? I'm like, no, 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 no. Or I just ignore it, so don't even bother. But yeah, it's just here, rotting away. Just being honest. Yeah. Anyway, if you're wondering if I'm a hoarder, the answer is hell yes. Okay, so this is the Vanity. Vanity's from, was it Target or Walmart? I think Target. Yeah, the Vanity's from Target, I think. And then the chair's from Walmart.com. Again, like 6 years ago, so like, but yeah. And this flavors are from Target last year. I think that's about it. Oh, and then this, I forgot where, I think my mom got this for me for Christmas or my birthday one of these years. I think I got it from like Walmart, or no, Target. I think she got it from Target. Yeah. Anyway, and before you ask me, I don't know the color of this, like the specific color, but it's like a lavender or whatever for the walls. And no, I'm not going to color it like a boyish color. I don't know, actually like lavender. It's like really peaceful and comforting, so I'm going to keep it lavender. Someone asked me like a few months ago, like, oh, are you going to color a different color since you're a guy now? Well, no. I'm going to keep it lavender. I don't know, I like it lavender, but I think that's it, you guys. Is that it? I'm trying to look around. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, so I'm on a little spin and then we're gonna go. So yeah, a little overview. It's a small room, but it's really cute. I mean, do I want like a big room? Yeah, but whatever. It's enough for one person. I mean, you know, it's a cute little room, you know. It's not like Regina George's room in Mean Girls or anything like that, but it's, oh, and that's my stand where I film, you know, like the camera stand. Let's keep it there. Yeah. Yeah, but it's a cute little room. It'll do. Anyway, I'm gonna do the closet tour next. So actually, I'm gonna film that. Should I film that next or should I film that? You know what? Hell with it. I'm gonna film it next and then put it up. Hell with it. You know, whatever. Let's just go for it. Go for it. I'm in a filming mood tonight, so let's go for it. So yeah, that'll be tomorrow's video, the closet tour. So yeah. So you know the drill. Like this video up, leave a comment down below. Little hairdressers, comment down below. Make sure to click the notification bell to be notified the second I upload a new video. Leave a comment, like, click the gray bell, and subscribe, obviously, if you haven't already subscribed. That's me again. Hey, what's up? And what else? Oh yeah, and everything, like always, all my social media will be linked down below in the description box below. Okay, this is, oh, I didn't pick out what Vlogmas episode this is. You know what? I'm over the whole Vlogmas thing. So whatever Vlogmas episode this is, from now on, I'm just going to say it'll be in the description box below. But it's 20-something. Okay? I'm tired of keeping track. So we'll keep track of it in the description box. So whatever Vlogmas it is, it'll be in the description box below. But I'm not even going to pretend to care at this point. But it's another episode of Vlogmas. How about that? So anyway, filming more videos tonight for you guys. And yeah. This outfit is so cute. Okay, love it today. So, of course, everything's been torn. I'm still wearing torn. It's so funny, right? Yeah, the sweater from Torrid, but these are from years ago, so don't even bother looking at it. Yeah. This shirt, it says Slay All Day from Target. So Target, Torrid. This is from Macy's. It's a Puma. This is actually men's. These sweatpants. And these, I forgot where I got them. These are really comfy and warm. These little slippers. And my hair is platinum blonde. I'm such a mess. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I think that's it, you guys. Oh, by the way, my you guys are telling me that I should get my ears pierced, not at Claire's, at a professional piercing place. I totally agree. You guys are right. Thanks for the expert advice, like always. And yeah, I think that's it. I wasted enough time, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, we'll end it here. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. You know the deal. Click the great bell, and I'll see you in my next video until next time. Blowing kisses to you guys. Bye. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow's video. See you in tomorrow's video. Okay. Bye, guys.